Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the keyboard shortcuts or hotkeys are not working on your computer, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing we need to check if you're using an external keyboard is whether the keyboard is damaged or not. So for that, we will plug it into another computer. And if it's not working on the other computer either, that means your keyboard is physically damaged. But if it's working, then it's probably a software issue. So plug your keyboard back in, or if you're using a built-in keyboard, let's figure out why the keys are not working. So the first thing we need to check if the function lock is activated or not. So I'm using an Asus keyboard. If I have to activate the function lock, I have to press the function plus escape key, and to disable it, I have to press the same two keys again, function plus escape. If you're using any other laptop of any other brand, then find out how to lock and unlock your function keys through the internet. So I will unlock my function keys or disable my function lock, and then I will update my drivers. So I will look for device manager in the start button and in the search button, and I will look for the keyboard's driver and expand it. Then I will expand all the human interface device keyboard or HID keyboard devices. Right click on it, click on update driver, and click on search automatically for drivers. Do this for all the HID keyboards. Now another thing we can do is we can restart the HID services or human interface device services. So I will look for services, and then I will look for human interface device services. Right click on it and then click on restart. Lastly, we'll run an SFC scan. So we will go to command prompt, and then we'll right click on it, click on run as administrator. Yes, and then we'll type in the command sfc space slash scannow, and we'll press enter. After the scan is over, you need to restart the system. So click on the start button, click on the power button, and click on restart, and your keyboard shortcuts or hotkeys should start working. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.